Hello, Cloud Nerds. In this video, I am going to give you a quick overview of Bedrock Console. To get started, first open Amazon Bedrock Console. Next, click Get Started. In the Overview tab, you can see that Bedrock currently supports foundational models from 6 different providers, such as Jurassic 2 series models from AI21 Labs, Amazon's Titan models, Claude model from Anthropic, Command by Cohere, Llama 2 models from Meta, and Stability Diffusion models from Stability AI. Next, click Providers. We can see multiple models offered by multiple providers here. Let's scroll down. Next, click Titan Embeddings G1 Text. This is an embeddings model. You can see details of the model, such as supported formats, model attributes, model version, max tokens, languages supported, licensing, pricing, and documentation here. Let's scroll down. Under API request, you can see payload format accepted by model. That's it. You just learned how to explore different models made available by different model providers. To try a model, first, we must request access for the same. I already requested access earlier, but let me quickly show you how. Next, click Model Access. Next, click Manage Model Access. Here you can see complete list of ML models available from Bedrock. Note that some models, such as ones from Anthropic, require you to submit use case details first. Once you have chosen a model you want, you can choose Save Changes. Next, click Examples. You can see Examples section to understand prompts and inference configuration for these models. For given meeting transcript provided in prompt, output returned by model looks pretty good quality. I copied this to clipboard so I can try same later. Let's try model out via Bedrock Text Playground. Next, click Text. Next, click Select Model. Next, click Amazon. Next, click Titan Text G1 Lite. Next, click Apply. Let me try providing the meeting transcript corresponding to Titan Express example I copied earlier, and see how this model performs for the same input. Next, click Run. Congratulations! You just saw how to try a foundational model from Bedrock Console. You can also list and perform inference on Bedrock models via AWS CLI or SDKs. Amazon Bedrock also offers some other very powerful features. Let us quickly check them out. Open Knowledge Bases section. An Amazon Bedrock knowledge base enables you to build applications that leverage retrieval augmented generation, a technique that improves quality of the response. A Bedrock knowledge base automatically ingests data sources, generates embeddings, and stores them in a vector database. It also provides you the ability to query included data sources and uses retrieved information to help generate more relevant and accurate responses while performing source attribution. Next, click Agents. Agents enable you to execute multi-step tasks using company systems and data sources. An agent automatically builds the orchestration prompt, uses knowledge base if connected, and invokes APIs to provide responses to the user in natural language. Next, click Custom Models. Next, click Customize Model. Bedrock offers 2 options for model customization: fine-tuning, to improve model accuracy for specific tasks with small amount of labeled data, and continue pre-training to teach the foundational model new domain knowledge that's not already present in the base model. Next, click Provisioned Throughput. When you go into production, you need guaranteed throughput. With provisioned throughput, you can purchase a specific level of throughput at a fixed cost for a specific term. Congratulations! You just saw an overview of Amazon Bedrock Console and how to try a model. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.